Yo, 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 what's up, everyone? My name is Javi, and today we're going to be hitting another trail. It's called Bull Springs Road. It's south of Tucson. It says it's about 26 miles long. And I was watching videos and pictures, and it doesn't look hard. It looks really easy. So we're going to try it out and see how it is. But yeah, guys, see you at the trails.
Crawl, baby, crawl! Yeah. That was funny. They poured a bunch of concrete.
Yeah, video doesn't make this justice.
This is about the angle you were. This is the angle right here. That's the angle.
That's fucking Steve.
That's the angle.
Jesus Christ.
That's the angle we were going down that other mountain.
I want to touch one.
Oh, it's so small. Oh, babies. Baby cows. So cute.